Hello guys, and welcome back to another lesson on HTML and CSS. So in this lesson we're going to learn about the formatting. Now in the formatting we're going to learn about how to change the format of the text and other stuff. So to do that, first let's take a look at our live server. This is what we've done previously, and these are the codes for it. All right, so in this lesson we're going to type in first. Let's take a p tag, which stands for paragraph tag, and inside the p tag I'm going to type in, let's say, this is formatting. This is formatting. Okay, now I'm going to run this in the live server and see what happens here. So we have our text here. This is formatting, and we're going to change the format of this text. Okay, so what we're going to change in, I'm going to change it into a bold format, and to do that I'm just going to type in here inside, not inside the p tag but after the opening p tag. I'm going to type in B, which stands for bold, and I'm going to take the tag and I'm going to erase the closing tag here. Now, why am I going to erase the closing tag? It's because I want to close it here after the text. Okay, so I'm just simply going to type in this one, and I've closed the B tag here, and I'm going to check it in our live server and see what's going on. Well, you can see that the text is now in bold format. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another two more tags like this. All right, I'm just going to copy it and just paste it, and then I'm going to create another one. All right, okay, so to do this, you can see that these are all in bold format, right? We can check it in the live server here. There you go. This is formatting, three of them. All right, so now what I want to do here is the second one. I want to change it into like italic, right? Italic. To do this I'm going to type in I. All right, there you go, and I'm going to change this one as well, I. Let's check it. You can see here the middle one, it's in italic format now. Okay, now I'm going to change this one. I'm going to underline this one, so in order to do that I'm going to use the U tag. Okay, the underline tag, and here I'm going to change it into U as well, and I'm going to run this in the live server. Well, you can see here that the text is now underlined. Okay, now that we've done the underlining here, and we can just if I want to, uh, let's say I want to align my text. Okay, I have a text here and I want to place it in the center or at the right side. What can I do then? What can I do now? So in order to do that, what I can do here is just first let me take a text here, text example, and I'm going to type in the p tag. Inside the p tag, I'm going to uh, type in, let's say, this is the right side. All right, this is the right side, and let's run this and check it. Okay, so here's the text, right? Now I want to change this into here, right here, and to do that I'm going to just type in inside the p tag, I'm going to use the style tag. Okay, we learned about the style tag in the previous lessons. So now I'm going to use the style tag, select it. Now inside I'm going to type in text align. Now I wanted to like place it in the right side, right? So for that I'm going to add the value, which is going to be right. All right, now let's run this and check it. Now if you take a look at in the far right here, you can see that the text is at the right side. Now if you want to place this in the center, you just have to just go here and just type in center, and it will redirect it into the center. There you go, the center. Okay, so I'm just gonna place it in the right side since I named it right. There you go. Just gonna keep it in the right side. There you go, there it is. Okay, now that we've learned the text align, I'm going to so now that we've learned about the text align and we've applied the formats for that code, we're going to learn about we're going to change the we're going to change the text size into like using the HTML code into small. We're going to learn about the small tag. Okay, so for example, I'm going to first type in the p tag, and inside I'm going to type in this is the normal text. Okay, and here we're going to create another tag, and p tag, and inside we're going to type in this is the smaller text. All right, now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to run this in the live server and take a look what's gonna happen here. And here you can see that the normal text and the smaller text, they're all the same, both the same. So I'm going to change this text into a smaller text. So I'm going to, after the opening p tag, I'm going to create another tag which is called small, the small tag. All right, now after I took the small tag, I'm going to delete this one, and I'm gonna type it back here. Okay, so small, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to run this in the live server. Let's see. You can see here that the normal text, it's normal, and the smaller text, it's turned small. All right, and that was the example for small text. And now we're going to learn about marking. Okay, we're going to mark a text or a letter. So for example, I'm going to create another p tag, and here I'm going to type in this is an example of uh, the mark tag. The mark element. All right, now I want to mark this uh, particular word. If I run it in the server, if I go here, I want to mark this mark word here. I want to mark it like this. Okay, so if I do this with the mouse, it marks like that, but I want to mark it permanently. In order to do that, I'm just gonna come here and create a tag called the mark tag. Okay, and Just create it. So we're going to mark this particular word here. So I'm going to create a space and I'm going to create the mark tag. I'm going to select this one. All right. Okay. And now I'm going to cut this one out and I'm just gonna end the mark tag right here. Uh, there you go. Okay. Now let's run this in the server and see what happens. Well, you can see here, this is an example of mark element and the mark tag, it's marked. Okay. So that's how you use the mark tag. And next we're going to learn about the strong tag. Okay, now the strong tag is basically another variant of the bold tag. Okay, now to do this, let's create another text paragraph tag, and I'm going to just select this one and just type in, this is an example of strong tag. Okay, this is an example of strong tag. All right. Now here, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change this strong tag. And since we're changing this strong tag into another format, I'm going to keep this one just for example. And I'm going to copy. I'm going to copy this tag. I'm just going to copy and paste it here. All right. Now, just going to paste it here. All right. Now, here what I want to do here is I want to change this into a strong tag, right? Same process, just use the strong tag here, select it, and I'm just gonna cut this one out and close it right after the text. All right, close it just after the text. Now let's take a look at here. Here you can see that this is an example of strong tag, and beneath it this is an example of strong tag. Same thing, just applied. All right. Okay, so next we're going to learn about the subscript and superscript. Okay, now the subscript is basically, if I show you, it would be better if I just show you. All right. Now the subscript, we're going to do the subscript first. Let's create a p tag. Inside, I'm going to type in, this is a subscript text. Okay, and I'm going to type in also another p tag. This is a superscript text. All right, there you go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna run this in the server. Okay, this is a superscript and subscript. Now I'm going to change the subscript first. I'm going to apply the subscript first, and the subscript is I'm just gonna put it on the subscript word. Okay, now to do that, just simply type in the tag, then sub. All right. Okay. This, cut this out and paste it here. We don't need to paste it, just apply it. Okay. Now let's run this. Well, here you can see that this is a subscript text, and the subscript word, it's downwards, right? So that's the meaning of subscript. Now the superscript is the complete opposite. The superscript is going to be that the superscript text, it's going to be in the upwards. So let me show you. Now if I just go here and type in sup, superscript, okay, not like that. I'm going to type it like this: superscript. Okay, and I'm gonna take this bit and delete it, and then close this tag right here. All right. Okay, now let's run this. Well, here you can see that the superscript text, it's upwards. Okay, so that's the lesson today, okay, about this whole. So that was the formatting style, and I hope this was helpful. If you need any help, you can reach out to us, and I will see you in the next lesson, okay?